Using Substack as a beginner is a great way to start your own newsletter and engage with an audience. Here's how to get started. Sign up. Visit substack.com and click on Get Started. Enter your email address, create a password, and confirm your account through the verification email. Set up your profile. After logging in, fill out your profile with your name, bio, and the profile picture. This helps readers connect with you. Create a publication. Click Create a Publication to start your newsletter. You can choose between a free or paid subscription model. Customize your newsletter's name and description to reflect your content focus. Write and publish. Use the built-in editor to write your first post. You can format text, add images, and include links. When ready, hit publish to send it to your subscribers. Grow your audience. Share your newsletter on social media and encourage friends to subscribe. You can also embed a subscription form on your website. Engage with readers. Respond to comments and gather feedback to build a community around your content.